fast or slow? Let me show you how to make this frozen rail shot a hanger. I first want to show you how well we can make our object ball hug the cushion on the way to the pocket. And here's a slow motion look at how tight we are to the cushion going into this 2.5 inch narrow pocket. So what is the secret to this shot? Well, it has everything to do with inside running spin. So let's take a closer look. Let's first take a look at my tip position and how I strike my cue ball. In my early days, this was not the case, as I would use only top. The problem with that, however, I found I had to be super precise in hitting my aim point. This meant I had to hit the object ball and the cushion at the same time. In working to be more consistent with the shot, I began to use inside spin while hitting the cushion just before the ball. What I learned was my margin of error was much greater. So now let's take a look at how much greater that margin of error is. And as you can see, there's a significant gap between the cue ball and the object ball. As long as I strike the cushion anywhere before the object ball from this point all the way up to the object ball, I will pocket that ball down the rail. Now let's watch how the cue ball spins into the 9, driving it down the cushion. And now let's take a look at a super slow-mo, and notice how this cue ball jets right into the 9 after it bites the cushion. And one of the great things about this shot, you can strike the cue ball softly or with pace and still make the shot.
I really enjoyed sharing my favorite shot. I barely miss this thing anymore now that I've added the inside spin, and I hope this was helpful to you in your game. And when it comes up next time in a match, that you pull it off. If you found this video to be helpful, please share it to your social media. Also, please hit the like button. It really helps me with the algorithm. And if you'd like to see another great Rail First video, watch this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.